Tomatoes have a problem that many of us have faced, even us here at the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. It's called blossom end rot. We have some on these container tomatoes here. Pick one of these off. Now, what blossom end rot, what occurs is the underdevelopment of the fruit, and it'll turn black and it will rot. Now, what causes this is the underwatering or the lack of watering that you're putting to your plants. Containers, gardening and gardens are a lot more susceptible than traditional ground gardens for this matter, because in a traditional ground garden there is an opportunity that there's more moisture available than in a 5-gallon bucket or a 3-gallon container. So what causes this and how do you fix it? Okay, one, I talked about underwatering, lack of watering. The plant needs a certain amount of calcium to be picked up through the roots in order to develop the fruit correctly. When there is no moisture in the soil, the calcium that is available in your soil is locked up and unavailable for the root to uptake in order to develop the fruit. When you water, it releases that calcium. It allows the plant to do its natural pickup of micronutrients and nutrients in the soil. People will often say, and we've preached for years until we understood the actual science behind it, people will say add 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt to 1 gallon of water, water your plants, it'll fix the problem. It does fix the problem because you're watering the soil. Magnesium sulfate is what Epsom salt is. It has nothing to do with calcium deficiency or lack of calcium able to be picked up from the fruit. So if you have this on your plants now, what you want to do is remove them so the fruit does not continue to try to develop, and then you get a larger fruit with still the rotten portion on the bottom. You want to remove them, and it doesn't affect the next generation of fruit on the plant if you water on a regular basis and allow the plant to have good moisture at the root base. So blossom end rot, a problem we've all faced, and now we know how to fix it.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.